I want to welcome you back to another video, and if it's your first time here, my name is Young Fizz, also known as mr.dopestatus on Instagram, and I make helpful machine tutorials as well as other audio-related content. But today, we're going to be focused right here on the machine, and what I want to do is show you why I use Machine in 2024 still to this day, and just how fast it is to really arrange a track inside a Machine. So let's go ahead and take a look at this example here. I have my intro and then I have my verse. So let's go ahead and play a piece of the audio so we know what we're working with. So let's start out with the intro. Now for the verse. So the thing that a lot of people get wrong first, they're in ideas mode, but what they do, they go to song mode. So they'll hold shift and they'll go to song mode, and then they'll do create, and then they start tapping the pads. And that's not what you want to do. I mean, you can if you want to, but you have to come in here, you have to turn the dial. So intro, hit another one, then hit the verse, and then you got to see, make sure you have it right. And that works too, but let's go ahead and delete that. And I want to show you how fast it is to really create inside a Machine. So check this out here. So what you want to do while you're in ideas view, hit that scene button, and then you want to listen to the different sections you want to play in your arrangement. So I have, again, the verse, and then I have the intro. So I'm allowed to preview what I'm about to basically arrange. So now what I want to do, I want to hit this button called append, and then what I want to append, and I want to append the intro and the verse. So I just hit the intro and then the verse, hit append again, takes me out the mode, and I'm done. And then now, as you can see on the screen, I have intro and then the verse. Now let's just say I want the verse to play before the intro. All I have to do is just change the position, just like that, and I'm done. So that is the fastest way to arrange a track inside the Machine here in 2024. As you guys know, Machine 3 is coming up soon, so make sure you stay tuned for more content. It's your boy Young Fizz, mr.dopestatus on Instagram, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you for tuning in. We are out.